have this anecdote.
Yeah, it's an interesting anecdote because I didn't think of this before they shared their experience. I do have a friend who claims not to have any hobbies. So I thought that it was a passing comment, but once I actually asked them a little bit more to say, okay, but then what do you do after
Hmm.
work? Like, sure, I thought maybe they just don't term it as a hobby, but they must do other things. So I was like, what do you do outside of work? When you go back home, what is like things you'll do? So they said, oh, like I'll go back, I'll make my food, I'll eat, I'll rest. And I said, great. And, and then
So,
do
so
you
apart from the bare minimum
yeah, like everyone does
sustenance
that sustenance.
activities.
Then okay, in the time that you have, there will be pockets of the day
Hmm.
when you have nothing else to do and
Hmm.
nothing to watch, etc. So what do you do then?
Hmm.
To make it more specific, and they have shared that they just think.
Think about what I'd like to ask.
So like think about life, think about like work, think about life. I know that they also would consider themselves an overthinker, and I said, but does that help? And it doesn't.
Exactly. I was just gonna say that. I can't spend so much time thinking.
Yeah, I think hobbies are also a good way to not think and just be mindless, no, for a while.
Yeah.
And I was like, oh, it's interesting that they don't even feel the need to do it because they're okay with this. You're judging. I can see it in your face.
No,
No, you're thinking,
I'm thinking.
considering a
I'm
different lifestyle.
intrigued. I'm intrigued.
Yeah, I was also really
I'm in
intrigued.
awe. How are they still sane? If I give my brain
Yes,
that much time to think
yes,
about things, it will go to the dark places.
yes. Without inputs, can you really have like strong outputs? So I think that
That's
was the
really
first
good
thing.
point.
But then the other part of me was, is this what it takes to be a genius or an innovator? To a certain extent, where you don't distract or clutter yourself with other things, but you focus so heavily on one thing that you eventually innovate and do stuff.
Maybe. Yeah, maybe. Because when I have done certain projects that I've been really passionate about that have
Hmm.
required a lot of innovative thinking from me, I've been very consumed
Yeah.
by those projects and I've thought about them outside of that. And my problem with that is that genius people go mad and I don't want to go mad.
That's the thing. Like I am 100% sure that this, without external
Hmm.
stimulus, you are going. It is going to lead to madness.